Okay, so our question is on mensuration today. So we're going to revise. We learn on how to solve a first term under mensuration. So the first question really says find the value or calculate the value of r if the height of the cone from which the first term was made was 6 centimeters. So how do we find the value of r? So our r here, I'm going to create a formula. So r here will be, will say, let's say this cone was extending somewhere there, make a full cone. Okay, so this other part here is the height that we have been given. So we say our small r over large r, a large r, which is this one, the small r, which is this one, then is equal to our small h over large h. Okay, so let us identify this. What is our, let's get our data there. Let's get our data there. So in our data here, we are going to say what is our small r. We should also identify our large r, our small h, and our large what h. So our small r we don't know. Our large r we know it's 2 centimeters. Small h we know it's this one, which is 3.6 centimeters. Then the large one, which is 6 centimeters, like that. Let us just substitute this on the formula. So we're going to say r over 2 is equal to 3.6 over 6, which when we cross multiply here, we're going to have 6r is equal to 7.2 divided by 6, which gives us r will be equal to 1.2 centimeters. Then our second question, which says find the volume of the first term. How do we find the volume of the first term? Now there are two formulas that we usually apply. Now I'll apply the simpler one. Now the simpler formula is, you say volume will be equal to h over 3, open brackets, you say area 1 plus area 2 plus the square root of area 1 and the times area 2, like that. So this is the formula that I'm going to apply here. So the first thing that we're going to do is let us find our two areas. So when we move there, we say the first area will be for this one. So this is area 1 and this is area 2 for this circle. So what's the formula for finding area of a circle? So area of a circle is given by pi r t squared. Okay, so in this case, you're going to say our area 1 will be our pi, which is 3.142 times r squared. In this case, for the smaller one, we found was what? 1.2. So it will be 1.2 squared. So when you do your calculation here, you're going to get at one decimal place, you're going to get 4.5 centimeters. Okay, then our area 2, we're going to apply the same formula, r squared. Now for this time now we're moving to the bigger one now here. So we're going to say 3.142 multiplied by 2 squared. This will give us one decimal place. This will give us 12.6 centimeters. Okay, now from there, now let us now bring in the formula now. So there now we're going to say our volume will be equal to our height. We'll get the height, this height that we have here. We'll get this height that we have here. So 3.6. Don't get the 6 centimeters. So you get 3.6 over 3, open brackets, area 1, which is 4.5 plus 12.6 plus square root of 4.5 times 12.6, like that. Now you can do your calculation everything at once there. So if you use a calculator, you are going to get an answer which is in 29.556 to 3 decimal places. 3 decimal places. Now this one, if let's say it has bring it just to, let's say, 1 decimal place, you're going to say 29.6 cubic centimeters.